As a person with a smartphone, you can get $10 on a daily basis. I know you'll be asking yourself, my smartphone with $10, what I mean? You have a smartphone, you have internet, and you're always on social media. That is what I mean. So I'm going to be taking you into two platforms, that is Facebook and YouTube. And I'll give you the reason why I know you can get $10. It might be a bit hard or a bit slow depending on what you do, but look here. If we get $5 on Facebook and we get $5 on YouTube, that will be $10 per day. So $10 for both times 30 days, it will be $300. Times $30, it will be $300. Now, in this one, you might get 10 on each platform, you might get 5 on one platform, it depends. But now we've said, okay, let's normalize it and make it $5. And why should it be these two platforms? I brought these two platforms because I know what you're putting on Facebook is what you can put on YouTube. I have these platforms, so, and they are practical. So are you there and you have your content? I know that next video we're going to discuss about content, but I assume that you're on Facebook, and I assume you can be on YouTube. And right now we're going to assume that you're already monetized. If you're not yet monetized, this video also can help you. So this one is $100 on a monthly basis. So $100, if you change it into your own currency, like in my currency, it will be around 400,000. 400,000 as a side income, it can be very great for you. And now that one is minimum when you're just doing almost nothing. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Tina Immaculate that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. I'm not saying that this smartphone is going to buy for you a limousine in a day. It's going to make you buy your dream car, your dream land, your dream apartment. No, but in the process it will. But we are talking about, I'm talking with the beginners and even the platform, the people, the audience that says, everybody is having now a smartphone, changing. But if I ask you how much have you earned today, you might not. The minimum you should earn is $1 every day, because you have loaded internet data, or you have been on internet and you've been scrolling from morning up to evening. Now let's see how we can make this money on these two platforms. What do you do on a daily basis? What do you post matters. Now we're going to go down and to the beginner. Like today someone called me, to the beginner that completely says, I have not yet known social media, but I have Facebook account, I have YouTube account. Yes, every day, everything that is within you, around you, is content. So if it is content, what you post on YouTube is the same thing that you're going to post on Facebook. The only difference that you'll do, you're going to get, like if you're using CapCut, I assume you're using your smartphone to edit. If you're using CapCut or any other editing app, you are going to edit your YouTube video in another ratio. This ratio is 16:9. After finishing it, you go back to whatever you are editing. You go back to ratio and put for YouTube or for Facebook. For Facebook is 9:16. It is smaller. It is like Instagram, or you can even use Instagram ratio. So now you have one video for YouTube. It is, for example, 9 minutes. 9 minutes is recommendable. Then this same video, 9 minutes, you can cut 3 videos, 4 videos, 5 videos for Facebook. So how do you cut them? At least make sure when you're editing and you're going to cut videos for Facebook, you look for where there are hooks. Hooks, what do I mean hooks? As in where they can attract, where there is a point where people will grow and remain there. So if like now this video, I'm not going to bring the whole video now and I put it on Facebook. Sometimes I do it, but it is not right. So you are supposed to cut in bits, where it is more important. The video for Facebook, it rather be 1 minute, 2 minutes, but meaningful. Okay? If it is education video like this one, it should be on point. If it is fun, it should start with a hook the same way. So if you've cut 5 videos for Facebook, you are posting there, you're posting this side. The next day, Facebook is going to be giving you money and YouTube is going to be giving you money. You combine it, then you see, okay, how much is this? At the end of the day, you find you have your $100 for both of them. But suppose you don't get that $100 on that day, you carry it over. A day, next day, you don't give up, you continue. You'll end up, you find you're in real thousands of dollars like others. So the message here, or the real video is here, is you can make money with these 2 videos and the same content. You don't need to have different content. We used to burden ourselves. You don't need to have different content for you to post on YouTube, then you post on Facebook. No, you can have the same content. So are we okay? If you know you really need with that much ado, if you know you really need anything to deal with making money with your smartphone, making money with your social media platform, please, I beg you to put it in the comment section. And I want to take special moment and thank my Immaculate Show team, and also thank the best engagers. You are awesome. Thank you very much. God is going to bless you for me. Even me myself, I'll bless you myself. So let's continue doing work. Let's continue the pedaling. If you know you have started your Facebook account, don't give up. If you've started your YouTube, don't give up. You are seeing people every day are coming up, posting. You are enjoying them the same way you're enjoying those people. Don't think they started also like you. So it might not look rosy today, but it is going to look rosy tomorrow. So don't give up at all. So guys, let's catch up in another video.